welcome today to a vlogmas. So I took a very long pampering shower this morning, so I decided to just show you what I'm using for my skin, and that's Frochet. Okay, if you're French you probably know how to pronounce it, I don't, so yeah, that's what I'm using always on my skin. It's almost finished at the moment actually, and it's really nice. And I like using it after I dry my hair and everything, because then my skin feels extra dry. So this moisturizes it, and I don't know, it feels nice to the skin. And today I don't really have any plans. I want to do a section on my blog about small businesses, like a gift guide for small businesses in the UK. And that's what I'm gonna research now. And then I'm gonna search for jobs, even though I very much doubt that there are any new positions on the market. And also what I like using is this spray over here. It's the same brand. Yeah, so it's this one. It's coconutty. And who doesn't like a coconutty smell? That's that. You're gonna love it.
Shit, why don't I have one?
I bought it from Bulgaria.
And why
Sadly,
didn't you buy me one? Oh my god, it smells so good.
Georgia.
I want one. Why you care? That's not for face.
No, I didn't say face. I just spray it all over. It smells very coconut, and it's the same brand. And sadly, that brand closed all their stores in the UK. They don't deliver to the UK anymore, and I'm very sad. So that's why when I went to Bulgaria, I just filled my whole luggage with as many products as I can. I got 2 of those, I got this, I got something to remove my makeup, I got around 5 lip balms, and I am stocked for my next visit to Bulgaria, and when I go again I'm gonna buy more, because I love it that much.
Did they shut down the UK ones because of the pandemic, or is it?
No, I don't think they were like going that well in here. Oh, and they have shower gels as well. So I have shower gels, few of them left as hand soap. I'm basically using all their products. Just brought one of my Yves Rocher lip balms to show you. So this is the one that I'm using at the moment, and those are the only lip balms that I proper finish, like there's nothing left of it. That's how much it is at the moment. It's fairly new, but it's amazing. It's the best thing when it's like cold outside and you put this one on. It's just very like nourishing and smooth, and I don't know, my lips don't break that way. Oh, and one thing that I forgot to mention, last night my sister came down the stairs with some very good news. So you probably know that I like Djerf Avenue. I created a fan account about it. It's called How to Style Djerf Avenue, and guess what? Djerf Avenue is following me! Whoop whoop! Whoop whoop! And I didn't even realize. Those are the only 3 people they follow, and I'm one of them. It's a very small account, but I think the idea is cute. And yeah, I didn't know they were following me. Actually, they started following me 1 day ago, and I didn't even realize. Like, Eddie had to come downstairs and tell me, like, you know that Djerf Avenue follows you? And I was like, what? Really? so they do. Yay! Okay, gonna go make a coffee. Done with the coffee. Good, this time it's not too sweet. And now I'm just gonna make avocado toasts for me, Eddie and Georgie. Georgie is my boyfriend, if you don't know, because I keep referring to Georgie as Georgie. So yeah, I'm gonna make toasts, avocado toasts for everybody. That's how you open an avocado, by the way. You just cut it in half by this edge, and then you twist it. all done. Now I'm just gonna bring them to Annie and Georgie and come back and finish off mine. So that's what I was doing for the past hour or so. I was preparing the video that's gonna go live tonight with my sister. It's my very first video with her. It's a sister style swap and I had a great fun filming it, so we're probably gonna do more of them. So this is the finished look. That's what I am able to do, so this is it. So now let's choose an outfit to go with it. So I have decided to put these two on. So that's my white Massimo Duty top with the puffed sleeves, and that's the skirt that I never got to wear last year. So yeah, it's just a long sequin skirt with a slit, so that's gonna be it. This is the look that we are going for. Like I said, puffy sleeves and then this pretty sequin skirt with a very high slit. And because I'm a Bulgarian, ta-da! They're called kotsuni in Bulgaria, and like every grandma does it for her grandchildren, so that's a courtesy of my grandma. Matching, right? So yeah, now I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna film and what.